This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is August 21st, 2025. I am currently short in Bitcoin and currently waiting for another potential short entry in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I already have and if this other entry or if this other limit order is reached, then I'll go over the trade that I have set up right now. But currently on top down, let's go here to the daily. So here at the daily, if you bring your attention right here in this area, you'll see there's a red line right here, just above this purple line. This is the liquidity, or this is the buy side liquidity that was resting here, just above this candle, just above this wick here. So there's buy side, or there was buy side liquidity resting here. This wick here came up and rated that buy side liquidity. So my overall bias is short here for the daily. And my initial target will be on the daily here will be this area down here where you see this green line. This is sell side liquidity resting just below here. So after sweeping this buy side liquidity from last month, now looking to sweep the sell side liquidity from last month as well. So I was able to enter this position yesterday here on pullback from this overall sell side displacement here. And then if we go here to the 60-minute, I will zoom out and you can see the overall trade idea better here on the 60-minute. So here is displacement here on the 60-minute, then consolidation, and then price action is delivered to the buy side into my limit entry here. And we can see after getting an entry, price consolidated a bit here, and then getting some displacement to the sell side, and now getting some buy side delivery here for pullback, which has me set for a potential, has me set to enter Bitcoin for another short position. But this would be another trade because it has another entry and another target. And now I have just my limit entry has just been reached. So I set my limit entry for the 62% level here, which you can see was just reached. I anticipate for this particular trade for price to trade through that level, but I don't want to see price trade above the range here. And we can see price getting a reaction from the 62% level and starting to sell down. But I'll get back to this trade here shortly. Right now I'll stick to the first position that I'm in. So here on the 60-minute, this area here that I took the trade off of, that is this range here. And then all of this, let's move this over. Get the entry in here. Okay, so this contains this range right here. This is the 5-minute representation of this 6-minute area, this 60-minute area here. With that, here on the 60-minute, on the 5-minute, you can see the displacement here. consolidation here. Then you can see a return to buy side delivery, consolidation here, and then some buy side right into this limit order. And this limit order was up here at 62%. Actually, I was looking at the 15-minute chart earlier and seeing the difference between the 15-minute chart and the 5-minute chart, and used the 15-minute chart to gauge what my trade would have been like, just considering if I used to trade on the 15 if I wanted to move back, which that would have thrown off my Fibonacci measurements. But now that you can see here, got things dialed back in. So here you can see my entry was at the 62%. There was some slippage and I was able to get a slightly better entry here. So the entry at 62% was 114, 447.4, and I was able to get an entry at 114, 459.9. So able to get a slightly better entry here on that position. And then my stop loss for this position will come here to the 60-minute here. My stop loss for that position is here, just above this. There is a level here of a session high, a daily high here. My stop is just above this, which is here on the 60-minute. And if I move, you can see there's that level right there. So my stop is 20 cents above this level here from the previous day. So you see these orange lines here. These are daily dividers based on the New York session midnight price, New York session midnight time. So this is what these lines designate. And then to see take profit on this, we'll have to go here to the daily chart. And here on the daily chart, we can see for this first trade, 459 here. So my take profit is there's a fair value gap where you're seeing this blue square here, or this blue rectangle. My take profit is here, which is in line with the rebalance of the fair value gap here. And then the position that I just recently entered here in this session, we'll come over and have a look. At this. Okay, so here, same thing here on the daily chart here. You've got this sell side delivery here. Then you get a bottom form after this sell side liquidity was swept here. You get some pullback and then some more selling here. So this was based on pullback from the previous trade. So if we come here to the 60-minute chart, you can see the sell-off, consolidation, buy-side delivery for the entry. Then you see the consolidation, sell-side delivery, then buy-side delivery, and then here for an entry. And then if we come up here to the 5-minute chart, you can see the dealing range here for this session. And then I have my target set here at 62%. And then you can see here so we'll see here, here's the order block here for this trade. You can see price mostly consolidating here and then taking legs down, consolidating, leg down, consolidating. And then you can see price be redelivered here to the buy side. With that buy side delivery here, I was looking for a potential reversal in this area. You can see it did come on news here when price pulled back, and then made the buy side delivery here into my limit order. But it was outside of the silver bullet time frame. So if I trade a reversal, I want to do it in the silver bullet time frame, which wouldn't start until here, this 8 o'clock, when news came out. The same thing in conjunction with this candle here. But news came out at 7:45, or was that 9:45 Eastern Standard Time? So this sent the wick down. It did not come into contact with this fair value gap, about $1.50 shy, but it did come into contact with the 62% Fibonacci level, but outside of my time parameter, so I didn't get a chance to get this entry to take position into my limit order. So I held off on taking that trade, and as you can see, I took a position here with this pullback. And then for stop loss, here you can see my stop loss is just above the range here, just above the dealing range. So there'll be buy side liquidity resting up here, so I put my stop here. And then for target, we'll again come here to the daily chart here. You'll see, let's see here. So you'll see my target here. This is going to be a sweep of liquidity. There's sell side liquidity resting here. So this trade is set to sweep out this sell side liquidity here on its way to potentially rebalance this fair value gap for the larger and previous trade that I have on currently. And then let's take a look at history for today. So today, only this position here that I just put on here at 8:17. The previous position was put on yesterday. So we'll see how the rest of the day plays out. And this is a potential, what is this? Let's see. I believe this is a 3.8 to 1 risk to reward scenario. So I do like the risk to reward. Anything that is 3 to 1 or better, risk to reward wise, is what I want to see. Now designate the 60-minute chart here. So yeah, so far so good on this position. Got a reaction here at the 62% level here on entry, and getting a return to sell side delivery here. If all goes well, we'll get delivery, at least we'll get delivery and a closure here, which would provide a market structure shift on the 5-minute, and here, if there's a close here, likely be a market structure shift on the 15-minute time frame. But this is what I'm seeing in the market so far for this AM. If you have any other questions or want to know more, feel free to visit us at ontilttrading.com. This is today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York AM session. We'll see you next time. Until then, trade smart, trade safe, and trade together.